Our world is constantly changing. Technology advances at a rapid pace. This is especially true in agriculture. For centuries, farmers have been modifying crops. They used traditional breeding methods. These methods relied on selecting and crossing plants with desirable traits. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, offer a powerful tool. They have the potential to reshape our relationship with food. This essay delves into the world of GMOs. We will explore their history and the science behind them. We will also address the concerns surrounding their use. From gene flow to corporate control, we will unpack the complexities of this technology. Furthermore, we will highlight the successes of GMOs. We will see how they have provided solutions to pressing agricultural challenges. Finally, we will look towards the future. We will explore the potential of GMOs to address climate change and global food security. It is a journey that requires careful consideration. We must weigh both the benefits and risks of GMOs. Ultimately, the goal is to harness their power responsibly. We must strive for a future where sustainable agriculture flourishes. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, often evoke strong reactions, but what exactly are they? In essence, GMOs are organisms whose genetic makeup has been altered. This alteration is done using biotechnology. Scientists can introduce specific genes into an organism's DNA. These genes can come from other organisms, even from different species. This ability to directly manipulate genes sets GMOs apart. It distinguishes them from traditional breeding techniques. With GMOs, scientists have a greater degree of control. They can pinpoint and introduce specific traits. This precision has led to the development of crops with enhanced characteristics. Examples include resistance to pests, tolerance to herbicides, and increased nutritional value. The ability to tailor crops to specific needs is a powerful tool. It holds the potential to address various agricultural challenges. However, this technology also raises concerns. We must carefully examine these concerns. Only then can we make informed decisions about the role of GMOs in our food system. To understand the implications of GMOs, we need to compare them to traditional breeding methods. For millennia, farmers have been improving crops through selective breeding. They would select plants with desirable traits. These plants were then crossbred to combine those traits. This process, while effective, is time-consuming and relies on natural variation within a species. GMO technology, on the other hand, offers a faster and more precise approach. Scientists can directly introduce genes into an organism's DNA. These genes can come from entirely different species, something not possible with traditional breeding. This allows for the development of crops with novel traits. These traits might not occur naturally within the species. For example, scientists have developed GMO crops that produce their own insecticides. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which can have negative environmental impacts. While both traditional breeding and GMO technology have their roles to play, it's important to understand their differences. This understanding will help us navigate the complex debate surrounding GMOs. The advent of GMOs has sparked widespread debate. While proponents highlight their potential benefits, concerns persist about their safety and long-term implications. One major concern is gene flow. This refers to the possibility of GMOs crossbreeding with wild relatives or conventional crops. Such crossbreeding could lead to the unintended spread of modified genes. This could have unforeseen ecological consequences. Another concern is the issue of terminator seeds. These seeds are genetically engineered to produce sterile plants. This means farmers would have to purchase new seeds each year. While terminator technology has not been widely implemented, it raises concerns about corporate control over the food supply. Critics argue that such control could disadvantage farmers, particularly in developing countries. Furthermore, concerns exist regarding the potential toxicity of GMOs. Some argue that the introduction of foreign genes into plants could lead to the production of allergens or toxins. However, scientific studies have consistently shown that commercially available GMOs are safe for human consumption. Despite the concerns, GMOs have already demonstrated their potential to address pressing agricultural challenges. One notable example is Bt eggplant in Bangladesh. This genetically modified eggplant is resistant to fruit and shoot borers. These insects are a major pest that can decimate eggplant crops. The introduction of Bt eggplant has been a resounding success. Farmers have reported a significant reduction in pest damage. This has led to increased yields and reduced insecticide use. This not only benefits the environment, but also the health of farmers who are no longer exposed to harmful chemicals. Another success story comes from Hawaii, where the papaya industry was threatened by the ring spot virus. This virus was devastating papaya crops, leading to widespread losses for farmers. The development of a genetically modified papaya resistant to the virus saved the industry. Today, Hawaiian papayas are thriving thanks to this innovation. A glimpse into tomorrow, the potential of GMOs. Looking ahead, GMOs hold immense potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. One area of great promise is improving nutrition. Scientists are working on developing GMO crops that are enriched with essential vitamins and minerals. These biofortified crops could help combat malnutrition, which affects millions globally, especially in developing countries. Climate change poses another significant threat to agriculture. GMOs could play a crucial role in developing climate-resilient crops. Scientists are exploring ways to engineer crops that can withstand drought, flooding, and extreme temperatures. Such crops would be essential for ensuring food security in the face of a changing climate. Furthermore, GMOs could contribute to reducing the environmental impact of agriculture. Scientists are developing crops that require less water, fertilizer, and pesticides. This would help conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Additionally, GMOs could be engineered to capture and store carbon from the atmosphere. This could help mitigate climate change. Striking a balance weighing risks and benefits. As with any powerful technology, GMOs present both potential benefits and risks. It is crucial to approach this technology with a balanced perspective. We must carefully weigh the potential risks against the potential benefits. Rigorous scientific research and transparent regulation are paramount. They ensure the safe and responsible development and deployment of GMOs. Open and honest dialogue is also essential. We need to foster conversations between scientists, farmers, consumers, and policymakers. This dialogue should address concerns, share information, and build trust. Ultimately, decisions about GMOs should be made on a case-by-case basis. We must consider the specific crop, the intended use, and the potential environmental and social impacts. Conclusively, GMOs represent a powerful tool that can help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From improving nutrition to combating climate change, the potential benefits of GMOs are significant. However, it is crucial to acknowledge and address the concerns surrounding their use. Responsible development, transparent regulation, and open dialogue are essential. By embracing a balanced approach, we can harness the power of GMOs while mitigating potential risks. The goal is to create a sustainable future where agriculture can nourish a growing global population while protecting our planet. It is a future where science and sustainability go hand in hand, ensuring food security for generations to come.